In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say I want to post a status and I'm getting no sound on it, or I'm trying to view other people's statuses, getting no sound on those as well. So the first thing you want to do is swipe down on the top right, make sure your volume is up on the volume slider. Secondly, make sure you're not connected to any Bluetooth devices like an external speaker, headset, anything like that, because that might be why you're not getting any sound or anything like that. So you want to go ahead and do that. Then next thing, make sure you're not on silent mode. You can put it to ring mode like so. Also, just make sure you're not on any do not disturb mode. And next, what you want to do is go to your settings, scroll down until you find sounds and haptics. Where it says ringtone alerts, make sure you have that on. And then, yeah, you should be good to go after that. The final thing I'd recommend is go to the App Store, go over to the top right, scroll down and download and update WhatsApp if you need to. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.